Title of story, The Sneezing Cupcake. One morning, a cupcake named Sprinkle woke up with a sneeze. Achoo! And his cherry flew off. He chased it through the kitchen, over the sugar jar, around the toaster, and under the cat. Finally, the cherry landed on the dog's nose. Sprinkle tiptoed closer. Achoo! The dog sneezed too, and the cherry flew back onto Sprinkle's head. Sprinkle cheered, "Sweet success!" Sprinkle, au revoir.